Hi, at this simple video I will show you how to add the customer from the back office perspective. So if someone call you or contact you through WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram or whatever, and you don't want to redirect him to the ordering website and you want to add them manually to the CRM, to the NutriBot, you can do that, of course. And you can do that in two different ways. So first of all, in the orders section, you can go to the customers list, and here you can add the customer by clicking this button. Of course, you can add the new order from the orders section, but also in any website at the top you have the add button and you can add the new order or new customer. And what is the difference? New customer is a simple customer, only customer profile without the order. So for example, if you have some lead and you want to add some notes to the customer, you can use this feature. You can see you will provide only the most important data about the customers. Of course, you can add more information after creating, but it is simple add customer feature. If you want to add the new customers with the order, so it is a more common usage, so you can do it by this feature. Of course, if you have already created customer, you can go to the customer detail and then add the order to the existed customer. So if you want to add the new customers with the new order, you need to click here and then fill this information. I will generate some fake data. Here you can see if you put the real phone number which you already have in the database, that the customer that the software will show you that we already have this customer. So we can click here and we will see that we have a lot of customers with this number, so we shouldn't use it because we will duplicate the record. So it is also really useful. Similar for the email, if we add the email we already have, the software will show you the list of the customers with this email. So we can use this data, and let's go forward. Delivery address. So okay, and here you can see that software shows us based on the Google API service where the address is, and if you want you can correct it. So if you know, for example, that it is not this building and Google API shows it wrong, so you can drag and drop this pin and show, for example, this specific place, and it will not change the address you provide, so probably you know it well, but you can correct the location of the pin, so it can be helpful for the delivery company especially. And then you can add more details about the delivery. For example, it is staircase number 2, floor number 1, code for the intercom and code for the gate, preferred delivery time, so you can use the delivery time which is described to this area, the delivery location. You can describe different driver and add some notes. So continue, and now we can add the meal plan. So I can choose one of my already created meal plans, like the standard one. I can choose the variant, portion size, daily, and my add-ons. So I will add the cutlery daily, and here is quite important information. This is diet 4, and the name of the person will be displayed next to the diet. You can also define exclusions per person. It will be really helpful for the customers which want to place an order for more than one people. So for example, for the wife and husband, there is Joel, so let's create a meal plan for him. Below we have the exclusions, and we have at least 3 options to add his exclusions. So we can add a simple note, for example, milk, he has an allergy, for example, something like that. Or we can choose one of our already existed exclusions groups. You can find them in the meal plan sections here. You can define them, and there is a detailed article how to use them. So I can choose them, or I can set the individual exclusions for these customers customer and I can choose from a list the milk products, for example. Okay, and now I have listed the ingredients based on the milk, and here I can choose his package, for example the monthly one, like that. And as you are the administrator, as you can see, I can choose one of the already created periods, and I can change it, but as you are the administrator, there is a magic button. You can click disable validation and you can change it however you want. So you can add more days here, or disable the days already created, so you can manage it if you want to create something specific. Add to order, and we have our shopping cart. So there is an order for Joel, and for example, if he wants also to place an order for his wife, I can click add next meal plan, and I am again in the meal plan section. I can choose the meal plan for his wife, for example, the variant, the portion size, also calorie, and I can add another person. As you can see, if I have chosen the Joel, I can see his exclusions, and for example his wife can have different exclusions, so I can add another person. I don't need to know the name of his wife even, I can just put the wife here, save, and I can add different exclusions for her, for example garlic raw, just like that. And I can set the order period for her, like the 21 days here. Okay, and on my summary page I can create an account for him and send the login information via text message, via email, and send order confirmation via email. I want to do that. There is my order summary. There is percentage discount. For example, if it is someone from my family or something like that, maybe I want to give them 20% of discount, or amount discount to just round up it to total. I can add something like that. Okay, and we have £600. The payment method, if I will choose the online payment, then with the confirmation email the payment link will be sent to the customer, and the payment status. So for example, if we already received the payment, like the cash or bank transfer, I can set that it is already paid and place an order, and that's it. I am in the customer details. I can see his data. I can add a note here if I want, and of course I can manage this customer, his invoice details, his list of invoices, his NutriBot CRM account. We can reset a password or block account here, his operation history, so if he changed anything, if his mobile app, then we will see the changes here, his loyalty points, his field surveys, his meal ratings, delivery addresses, and his order. We can manage this order by clicking here and play with it here, so we can manage it. And there is the exclusions, so we can change for him or his wife, we can edit them, but in this video we will not go in the detailed order management. I just want to show you how to add the new customers from the back office perspective. Of course, you can see the list of all the customers, you can filter them, you can browse them, and similar for the orders. So you can browse all the orders, you can go to the details, and I also remind you about the confirmation status, what is really important. Only confirmed orders will be visible in the kitchen reports, delivery reports, all the production reports. Hopefully it video will be helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.